down a road of pine and shade, past the moss where whispers fade. There's a house that dreams are made, sitting by the St. John's tide, with a dock that meets the morning light, and kids' laughter echoing bright. This home's got room for love to grow, a river song where the breezes blow, a quiet place to rest your soul, far from the rush yet close to the show. It's waiting now, your story to unfold. A kitchen built for Sunday pies, windows wide with painted skies, a boat lift cradle summer nights, adventures calling from the shore. The river bends, the memories pour. This is what a heart beats for. Step inside, feel the walls hum, every corner whispers, welcome home. This home's got room for love to grow, a river song where the breezes blow, a quiet place to rest your soul, far from the rush yet close to the show. It's waiting now, your story to unfold.